Welcome to Pathfinders Trainings. I am Yogeshwar Vashishtha and market those who are not in the pre-market with me. Here, Singapore Nifty is about 70 points down. That is about 70 points down. US market was down yesterday and today. One interesting thing that happened yesterday is FIIs were net buyers. कल FII ने भी खरीदा, DII ने भी खरीदा, सिर्फ रिटेल ने बेचा था. So, interesting market today. So, today we are neither bullish nor bearish. Today we are trend followers. तो और आज का हमारा फेवरेट गाना जो मैंने सुबह भी सुनाया था वो ये है. ये वाला गाने से हम ट्रेडिंग करेंगे आज. This is our song. And I have chosen two stocks today which we'll be working on. One is Nifty, other is Reliance Industries. So ये दो stocks पे हम लोग काम करेंगे. And from this year, as I promised last year, I'll be working on a company account. And in this account, in the next 1 to 2 months, I'll put in a capital of 1 crore rupees. ये brand new account है जिसमें 1 crore रुपए का capital आ जाएगा अगले 2 महीने में. And last night I put into here 3 lakh rupees. And gradually this will go up. The house, the 2 BHK that I have sold for 1.55 crores, guys. Out of that, a crore will come here, and from that, about 75 lakhs will go in directional neutral trading only. 1 to 2 strategy that we have been testing for the last 2 years with almost a 90% success rate. 3% a month to हंसते हंसते मिलता है, हंसते हंसते मिलता है. The advanced options course has been announced, and those who want, you can contact Nikhil for it. So today I'll be working on a capital of about 3 lakh rupees. If I work on a capital of 3 lakh rupees, what is my risk taking capacity? I purposely taken 3 lakh rupees so that today we can have the mindset of a person with a small capital. Ankur say, hope you're not paying capital gains tax and sell your house property. No, Ankur, I sold that and I bought a 4 BHK for 6 crore rupees. So that house I sold for 1.55 crores and I purchased a new house for 6 crore rupees. That I have given on rent already. I'm getting a rental of 92,000 on that one. And this one that I've sold, a crore rupees will come here. And from there, I aim to make at least 3 lakh rupees a month only from directional neutral trading. So let's work on the maths. यही चीज तो सिखा नहीं. It's all maths. Okay, so today in 3 lakh rupees, what is my risk taking capacity? 5%. So that is 15,000 rupees. So today, let me open my trade log और अपने दो स्टॉक यहां रख लेते हैं. Today I'm not going to do a filtering, ये महंगा है, ये सस्ता है. And 3, I'll use Paytm also. हम रोज Paytm करते हैं. So we have Reliance, the most liquid one. Then we have Paytm. नो फिल्टरिंग. आज हम कोई फिल्टरिंग नहीं करेंगे. आज हम सिर्फ गाना सुनेंगे. निफ्टी. So, and I'll be using the combination of Yogeshwar Express and Renko Express. ये दोनों का वो आएगा. Rajiv Master, is there any significance of the pre-market which opened with minus 626? Yes, Rajiv, उन्होंने तुम्हें टारगेट दे दिया. That is the target. So let's go back here on this. Reliance, Paytm, Reliance Future, and Nifty Future. I'll also keep an eye on Bank Nifty. My maximum risk capacity is 15,000 rupees. At no point I have to exceed that. no point I have to exceed that. And I start with, okay, this is a new account, so I have to change the whole thing. Good. जो नए लोग हैं ट्रेड टाइगर को कैसे कलर चेंज करने हैं वो भी हम आज सीखेंगे। और चूंकि इसमें दिस इज रिलायंस, अंकुर अंडाले बोलते हैं न्यू अकाउंट का पासवर्ड भी हाँ वही है, डॉट 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 डॉट, एक डॉट चेंज कर दिया था मैंने। So this is now Nifty, which has opened and is 25 points down. So in a Yogeshwar Express, your trade starts at what time? कितने बजे आपका ट्रेड शुरू होता है योगेश्वर एक्सप्रेस में? What time does your trade start, guys? At 9:25. 9:20 after 10 minutes, 10 मिनट के बाद हमारा जो ट्रेड शुरू होगा वो 10 मिनट के बाद शुरू होगा। 9:25 is when we start the trade. और टुडे वी विल बी टेकिंग ऑल द ट्रेड्स, लॉन्ग मिला तो लॉन्ग लेंगे, शॉर्ट मिला तो शॉर्ट लेंगे। वी आर नॉट डायरेक्शनल कॉन्शियस, वी आर नॉट डायरेक्शनल न्यूट्रल, वी आर डायरेक्शनल फॉलोअर्स। आज हमारा गाना है तू जहां जहां चलेगा मेरा साया साथ होगा, पर पेटीएम में मैं सिर्फ शॉर्ट ट्रेड लूंगा। पेटीएम में आई एम ओनली इंटरेस्टेड इन अ शॉर्ट ट्रेड इफ इट कम्स, इफ इट कम्स। ये हमारे डिसीजन से हम इमोशनल बने या रैशनल बने, हमारे इस डिसीजन से हम इमोशनल बने या रैशनल बने। एंड नाउ वी आर एट 9:20, open up now. First of all, Reliance. Now, if I look at Reliance here, Reliance में what trade is likely to come? What trade is likely to come in Reliance, guys? This is the open of Reliance. ये line तो okay, we will have a short trade coming in this one. Yeah, that's fine. So this is Reliance. We see this is the open price that we are looking at. एंड वी हैव 2 more minutes, तो अभी यहाँ शॉर्ट ट्रेड आएगा, प्लान करना शुरू कर देते। सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट ट्रेड वी आर लाइकली टू गेट, रिलायंस एज अ शॉर्ट ट्रेड। नाउ इसमें 250 इज द लॉट साइज इफ वी डू फ्यूचर, सो दिस विल बी माय एंट्री हियर। अभी पूरा ठीक नहीं हो रही है, ठीक है, दिस इज द एंट्री एंड दिस इज द स्टॉप लॉस हियर इन दिस वन, इसके थोड़ा ऊपर। If the lot size is 250, what would be my risk in the future of Reliance? How much will be my risk in the future? If 250 is the lot size, and let's say I will take a stop loss of about 20 rupees, what is the stop loss I can work on this? Kitna risk hai mera? About 5,000 rupees. My risk taking capacity is 15,000 rupees. Can I take this trade? Yes, I can take this. मेरी 15,000 की कैपेसिटी है, मुझे 3 ही ट्रेड लेने हैं, तो ये वाला ट्रेड मैं ले सकता हूँ। सो आई जस्ट वेट फॉर द कैंडल टू फिनिश and I will go for my entry in Reliance future. With less capacity, you can go for Reliance stock. So here in this one, now I can short a future of, so I've shorted a Reliance future. Okay, I've shorted a Reliance future with a stop loss of report turnover. Here, maybe at 40, just 1 minute. So I got it at 2454. Where will my stop loss be? 2475. So I'm putting my stop loss in Reliance at 2475. 2475. 5,000 rupees is the risk I have taken on. So that's my trade number one. Now let's see, where is Paytm. Paytm is long or short? What entry has Paytm given? Short. Stop loss 10 rupees above will be my stop loss. How many Paytm can I short? 500, right? So sell against margin. 500 Paytm I am shorting, guys. This is Paytm I have shorted. 500. Now 500 का तो मेरे पास पैसा ही नहीं है. So here sell against margin 200, which will require a lakh of rupees. So I've shorted 200 Paytm. कितना पैसा बचा मेरे पास? I have now about 58,000 rupees left. I have 58,000 rupees left. See here, now today I'm not working on a 25 lakh rupees of capital. I'm working on a limited capital of 3 lakh rupees. तो मुझे उसी के हिसाब से सब मैनेज करना है. So in 58,000 rupees, can I take a trade in Nifty? In 58,000 rupees, can I take a trade in Nifty? Yes, very good. All those who said yes are correct because I can take a hedge trade. Hedge trade will require only 17,000 rupees. So this is first. Let me put a stop loss in Paytm, and Paytm 1315. So, and I'm putting a wider stop loss in this of, let's say, Paytm has a habit of hitting stop losses. So I'll put a little wide, about 1340. Paytm square of 1340. 1340. Out of the 3 trades I have planned, I've taken 2 trades. One is the Reliance future, other is Paytm, and third is Nifty. Now, Nifty, what trade has this was the open of Nifty. This was the open of Nifty here. So, what trade is there in Nifty? Long or short? There is a long trade in Nifty. Yes, there is very much a long trade in Nifty. But here in this one, since Nifty is, please use common sense also. So here in this one, what is the pattern Nifty is forming right now? Never trade mechanically. Never trade mechanically. Yes, what is the pattern it is forming? Double top. This pattern is called a double top. Double top is a buy zone or a sell zone. Double top buy zone है कि sell zone है? It is a sell zone. समीर भाई आप तो मानना पड़ेगा मुझे उधर बाय का क्यों बोला? सेल जोन होता है. दैट मीन्स इसमें बाय तो मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा जब तक ब्रेकआउट नहीं होगा. व्हेन कैन आई बाय इट? आई कैन बाय इट ओनली इफ इट ब्रेक्स अबव दिस. Only if it breaks above this, then I can buy it because it will be a breakout. Or short, can I do a short in this? No, because entry has not. तो बाय मैं इसमें कर नहीं सकता हूं क्योंकि डबल टॉप पे है और शॉर्ट की एंट्री अभी आई नहीं. सो अभी निफ्टी में कौन सा ट्रेड आएगा? विच ट्रेड विल कम इन निफ्टी नाउ? शॉर्ट आ गया क्या? हैज द ट्रेड कम? नो, ट्रेड हैज नॉट येट. तो कितनी देर में ट्रेड आएगा? और चूंकि मेरा कैपिटल है सिर्फ 38,000 रुपीज, 47,000, तो मैं रेगुलर निफ्टी तो ले नहीं पाऊंगा. इन एनी केस निफ्टी का भरोसा नहीं है. सो व्हाई नॉट टेक अ ट्रेड जो मेरे बजट को भी सूट करता है और मेरा रिस्क भी घटा देता है. जो मेरा बजट को भी सूट करता है और मेरा रिस्क भी घटा देता है. दैट इज अ हेज ट्रेड. एंड सिंस दिस इज इंट्राडे, सो व्हाट इज द हेज? कितने रुपया नीचे की हेज होनी चाहिए? हाउ मेनी रुपीज डाउन विल बी द हेज? एटीआर निफ्टी का एटीआर कितना है? व्हाट इज द एटीआर ऑफ निफ्टी? फटाफट डेली एटीआर बताइए निफ्टी का. 250, absolute. So around 200 points. So we see 17,800 है. 17,600 would be absolutely fine. Let's add here 17,600. A call of 17,600 of Nifty. 17,600 of Nifty I have put up. Always use the farthest expiry. जो सबसे दूर की expiry है वो use करो, because the time decay in that is the least. अभी भी अब हम कौन सा, अभी भी हम गाना वही गा रहे हैं, इंतजार 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 करो, पर अभी हमारा दूसरा वाला गाना भी अभी एप्लीकेबल हो गया है, वो जहां जहां चलेगा मेरा साया साथ होगा। तो हमने कैंडल स्टिक यूज करी। व्हाट ऑल टेक्निकल थिंग्स वी हैव यूज्ड इन दिस ट्रेड, चलो काउंट द टेक्निकल टीम थिंग्स दैट वी हैव यूज्ड इन दिस ट्रेड। बस मैं लेने वाला हूँ, सब आधे मिनट में आ जाएगा, और अब तो ये ट्रेड मिल ही जाएगा। मैंने एटीआर यूज किया, वेरी गुड सुरेश जॉन। और बताइए, मार्केट लेवल यूज करे प्रकाश रसानिया, वेरी नाइस। और बताइए, सोच के बताओ, हमारे पास टाइम ही टाइम है, हमका ट्रेडर के पास टाइम ही टाइम होता है। लोग पूछते साहब दिन में कितना काम करते हो, मैं क्या, मैं तो वेल्ला हूँ। इन बॉम्बे वेल्ला मीन्स गाय डूइंग नथिंग। इनफैक्ट मैं आपको एक बहुत अच्छा सुनाऊंगा मेरे, हाँ आ गया। फर्स्ट बाय द हेज, ऑलवेज बाय द हेज फर्स्ट। हेज खरीदा और इमीडिएटली शॉर्ट कर दिया। Fine. So I have a hedge trade of Nifty. राजेश गोला साहब, why are you doing trade with so small capital today? बहुत सारे ट्रेडर्स के पास छोटा कैपिटल होता है राजेश। तो मुझे एक स्पेशल रिक्वेस्ट आई थी, सर आप जो 20-25 लाख रुपए दिखाते हो तो उससे हमको डर लगता है। तो मेरे पास तो 2 लाख रुपए ही हैं, 3 लाख रुपए ही हैं, तो मैं कैसे ट्रेड करूँ? तो देन दैट्स व्हाई आई एम ट्रेडिंग ओनली विद 3 लाख रुपीज ऑफ कैपिटल। ओके, नाउ हियर बैंक निफ्टी में what trade is coming? No trade is coming. So we decided we'll work on Reliance. This is Reliance now that is moving. हम इस पर ट्रेल भी करेंगे हैं. So we'll use a combination, and this is still good enough. I think the way Nifty is going, 400 place confirm, and I think that's where I would like to put my money. Yeah. Now I have still about 14,000 rupees, and I am into the. So this is my trade. One, I have booked profit in Paytm. Guys, ये अकाउंट में कितना पैसा आएगा? ये अकाउंट में 1 करोड़ रुपए आएगा. This account will be funded by one with 1 crore rupees. Vedanta say, why did you book profit in Paytm so early? पैसे नहीं थे, Salil. I needed money for my trade to release capital. I'm working, I don't have 25 lakh rupees, I only have 3 lakh rupees. Let's log it. अभी इसको हम लोग log करते हैं. Let me just open the log sheet, guys. Let's log our trades. But here if you see, I still have some money, 8,000. 8,000 का जितना आता है उतना लेते हैं. चलिए, 8,000 रुपए में कितना पेटीएम आएगा? Let's go and increase our stake here. Sell against margin. You can't do a big trade here. If I sell 10 stocks of Paytm, 5,243, 15 stocks will be 7, so I can still short maybe 40, 15 ATM, right? So 15 ATM I have short. I've again gone back into the trade of Paytm, where I've booked a profit of 713 rupees. Paytm may, where will be my stop loss? Look at Paytm and tell me where is my stop loss in Paytm. Nifty is very, very volatile. That's why you will see the advantage of a hedge. आज हम hedge का advantage देखेंगे. You will see the advantage of a hedge. Swing high नहीं, swing high से ऊपर. So here we are looking at this. This is Paytm. We have. I'll still like to go up at 1340. Reports, net position, square of 1340. 134, 1340. Place and confirm this. So I have Paytm now at 1340. Why 1340? कई बार यहाँ आएगा, स्टॉप लॉस हिट करेगा और नीचे जाएगा. स्विंग हाई is a very dangerous place. A very dangerous place. And let's keep an eye on Reliance. Reliance is doing fine. Reliance is okay. But Reliance में आज हम tight stop loss पे काम करेंगे और will we work on a wide stop loss in Reliance? Wider. So no tight stop loss. So which method will give us a little wide stop loss? Can we use Renko as a method here today with Reliance? Yes or no? No. Because Renko works on wider stop losses. Sorry, on tighter stop losses. Renko tight stop loss पे काम करता है. Different asset classes. The first asset class is stock that you can write there. The second asset class that you can have in this is called stock big trade. What is a stock big trade? A special intraday asset class given by Sher Khan, where your trade will be automatically squared off at 3 o'clock and the capital requirement is very less. Then we have third, index future. Index future. And fourth is stock future. Fourth is stock future. Then what are the other two future contracts we can short? बाकी कौन से दो future contract हैं जो हम short कर सकते हैं? What are the other two asset classes? Commodity, very good. Commodity future and forex future. Fifth, commodity future, and then sixth is forex future. What is the seventh asset class we have? Seventh asset class we have is stock option. Then eighth asset class you have is index option. Index option. Then ninth asset class you have. Ninth asset class is commodity option, which are coming in India, but they're not very liquid yet. Commodity option. And the other asset class 11 is forex option. What are other? इसके अलावा भी दो तीन asset class और हैं. Can somebody tell me what are other asset classes other than this? No, let's stick around to the stock market. Let's not go into land and other mutual fund. Very good, Jude. Next asset class, which is very common and popular, is called ETF. That is called exchange traded fund. It's a ETF. Then third, another asset class that has started coming now is called commodity index. Now three commodity index, gold index and other indexes have started coming. Commodity पे याद है guys, all those who have enrolled for the advanced commodity forex classes, you know, uh, our live sessions will be starting soon. I'll just check with Nikhil what is the schedule. And those who have not done that course, one last opportunity you have to do that course at a earlier price of 12,000 or 13,000, whatever I gave. Next course, which is happening in March, will be for 18,000 rupees. मैं भी से बता देता हूँ भाई, जिसको भी ये कोर्स, ये हम मेरा सबसे बढ़िया कोर्स होने वाला है, क्योंकि जो नेक्स्ट एसेट क्लास इंडिया में ग्रो होगा वो है कमोडिटी और फॉरेक्स. ये एसेट क्लास का ग्रोथ अगले 20-30 सालों में एक्सपोनेंशियल होने वाला है. इनफैक्ट I'm already I've taken an account with the international forex trader now. and I'm practicing on it. तो ये सबसे बड़ा एसेट क्लास रहेगा. तो जिसने भी ये वाला कोर्स नहीं किया एडवांस कोर्स, तो या तो मार्च में 18,000 रुपीज में करना, या अभी से शुरू कर दो, एंड यू कैन डू इट इन यू नो व्हाट वाज द प्राइस ऑन व्हिच आई गिव दिस कोर्स. का मुझे तो प्राइस भी याद नहीं है अभी. कितने में दिया था आप लोगों को ये वाला कोर्स अभी, दोज हु हैव डन इट? 13,000. राजेश ने बोला 13,000 में दिया. 13,000, यस 13,000. सो 13,000 में आप कर सकते हो. तो और ये कोर्स में जितना मैं डीप जा रहा हूँ, तो मुझे ध्यान में आ रहा है इससे दिस इज गोइंग टू बी बम्ब्लास्टिक थिंग. यही कोर्स लंबे में मैं कम से कम 40-50 हजार रुपए में बेचने वाला हूँ. अभी से बता. दिस इज अ स्टॉक अवेलेबल चीप राइट नाउ, एंड इसका लाइव अभी शुरू हो रहा है. 3 महीने का लाइव है, अभी शुरू होगा अगले हफ्ते से. सो दोज हु हैव नॉट डन इट, you can just do an advance payment of 2,000 rupees right now on my GPay, Paytm और PhonePe. कोर्स पसंद नहीं आता है, आके पैसा वापस ले जाना. तो जस्ट, एंड दिस इज ऑफर ओनली टुडे, कल नहीं मिलेगा. ये आज ही का ऑफर है और आज ही मिलेगा. और वो भी कब? 3:30 बजे तक. मार्केट बंद, ऑफर बंद. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू वुड बी इंटरेस्टेड इन दिस कोर्स? मेरे भरोसे ले लो. बहुत सारे मेरे ट्रेडर हैं, पैसे पैसे कोर्स क्या है, मैंने पैसे भर दिए. It is a course of, I'll ask in the break to Nikhil to explain it to you. Nikhil will be taking a session from 12:15 to 1:15. That will be Nikhil's session. So just give me a minute on this. Nikhil, 12:15 to 1:15 का सेशन तुम्हें लेना है. टीच ट्रेड टाइगर नए फीचर आए वो सिखा देना, और जो हमारा ये एडवांस कमोडिटी फॉरेक्स और क्रिप्टो करेंसी का कोर्स है, वो कल लाइव हमारा शुरू हो रहा है अभी. तो वन लास्ट चांस फॉर पीपल to do it in 13,000 rupees, because in March it will be 18,000 rupees course. तो कोर्स क्या है जरा समझा देना जब तुम सेशन लोगे, तो उसका लिंक वगैरह निकाल के. हाँ ठीक है, ये समझा दो अभी. ठीक है, ओके. यस, सो बराबर. दैट्स वेरी नाइस. ठीक है, इधर ऑन सेशन सब लोग सुन रहे हैं. ठीक है, बाय 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 बाय. Okay guys, Nikhil will tell you the course, and you can pay in advance of 2,000 rupees, understand the course, and then you can go and pay the balance amount. The average profit in an average commodity trade when it goes around fine is about 20 to 25,000. 20 से 25,000 एवरेज प्रॉफिट आता है एक अच्छे कॉमोडिटी फ्यूचर ट्रेड. एंड आई एम गोइंग टू पुट इन देयर माय कैपिटल ऑफ अबाउट 10 लाख रुपीस. कॉमोडिटी में आई एम गोइंग टू पुट 10 लाख रुपीस ऑफ कैपिटल ऑफ माय. Commodity index, ETF. What is the next one? Next one is mutual funds. Mutual funds and a whole new asset class that is coming now. अभी भी अनरेगुलेटेड है और रिस्की भी है, इसलिए बहुत जरूरी है जानना कि इसमें किसको करें या किसको नहीं करें. दैट इज कॉल्ड क्रिप्टो करेंसी. So these are the 15 major asset classes we will be dealing with. Please take a screenshot of this. A crypto I'll be teaching. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, इंडिया में क्रिप्टो अभी भी इलीगल है, और इसमें आपको बहुत संभल के, वी आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर इट नाउ, सो दैट व्हेन वी आर रेडी व्हेन इट कम्स फुल फोर्स हियर. Keshav say in the commodity future will trade or option strategies also be in commodity. No, in options, the in commodities options are not yet very liquid. We'll mostly be trading futures. सलील बोलता है सर 10 is missing. क्या है यार, मैं तो 10 खा गया. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 11 12 13 14 15. तो भाई फिर अभी एक एसेट क्लास तुम्हें क्रिएट करनी पड़ेगी सलील. Fine, there's one asset class missing. So और ये this is what Salil is, which is an IPO. Excellent, excellent. IPO. IPO in itself is a different asset class. कि उसको देखने का तरीका अलग. I'll totally agree. Asset class number 10 जो हमारी छूट गई is IPO. What is the mother tongue of IPO? What is the mother tongue of IPO? It is Marathi. Why Marathi? Because IPO. I means mother in Marathi. So when anyway, that was a bad one. Okay, guys. So that's the market we are looking for. Yeah, it's a PJ. Yeah, this. No, Vedant doesn't like PJs. He throws me out of his room if I tell PJs. But Siddhant loves PJs. So अभी आज मेरा वेदांत बैठा है उधर तो मैं अभी आज पीजे वीजे नहीं लगा. Okay, so now let's focus on the chart. So Reliance stock future. What is our risk management tool in Reliance? There are three risk management tools. In fact, the first risk management tool एक और है, is called BBT. This is the risk management tool which most of the people use in the world. It is called BBT. Can anybody tell me the full form of BBT? A risk management tool by most of the retail investors. Let's see who guesses BBT. It is called Bhagwan Bharose Trade. This is called BBT, Bhagwan Bharose Trade. God save me kind of a trade. So, how many of you in the initial stages of your trading career have used this stop loss, this tool called BBT? Honestly, सच में बताइए कितने लोग बीबीटी पे काम किए आपने? बहुत सारे लोगों ने किया. सब इसी से शुरू होते हैं, बीबीटी से. भगवान भरोसे. करुण बोलते हैं I lost 60,000 rupees. So we will not be using the BBT. So BBT is out. Next risk management is called stop loss. This is level 1. A stop loss, and most of the people start with a stop loss. Then next level, so let's add here on this. So that's the market we are looking at. Risk management tools. Risk management tools. Vedant, on the other side, can you please take a screenshot of this? And when we go to the office at 12 o'clock, we can give it to Anil and he can make a nice slide out of it. Thank you. So, risk management tool. Risk management tools. Risk management stages. What are the various stages of risk management? Risk management stages. The first risk management stage is BBT. We do not do it. We do not do it. What is a BBT? A Bhagwan Bharose BBT. Then the second is stop loss, and there are two kinds of stop losses. First is called price stop loss. When you are particular that this is the price on which I will get out, whether it's Arun says, I would like to share with everyone the mistake that I did. I got some winning trades and then greed took over. Okay. That's so nice of you. ये बहुत कम लोगों में इतनी हिम्मत होती है. So this is Karun Jamwal from Himachal. Brilliant, very nice, very intelligent, smart guy. इसने जिंदगी में सब बहुत अच्छी चीजें करी थी, फिर उसने शादी कर ली. तो उसके बाद से अभी जाने दो. Sir, I would like to share with everyone the mistake that I did. I got some winning trades and then greed took over. Then, without doing proper study, I just took a BBT where I lost money. So that's so nice, Karun, to admit this. And also in the book that you have said, it says keep weekly. How many of you have done this mistake, guys? थोड़े से confident हुए. करुण बोलता है माई वाइफ इज सिटिंग मरा अभी तो मैं मेरा हिमाचल आना ही बंद हो जाएगा. मैडम आई एम वेरी सॉरी. ये मेरी वाइफ मुझसे बहुत दूर है तो मुझे लगा कि ये करुण भी सेफ होगा. Guys, please, I hope all of you enjoy my wife jokes. So, but they are equally husband jokes. जब स्वाति मुझे मिलती है तो मुझे husband jokes सुनाती है यहाँ पे. In fact, there's a lot of challenge I have in teaching this lower strata. Today, in my office, today I took as a full-time employee the son of a carpenter. Aj, carpenter's son we have taken as an employee. So the next level I'm picking up is for every employee I will take from a well-to-do family. I will also take another employee who is either the son or daughter of a rickshawala, maid, taxi driver, construction worker, and that is how pathfinders will grow from here. I did that way back. In fact, how many of you have talked to Indresh Tiwari? कितने लोगों की इंद्रेश से बात हुई है? How many of you have talked to Indresh already? Exactly. Indresh is the son of a rickshaw driver, and he is now one of my managers. So, and that is the next level that I'm looking for. That we will not grow only this. Now, next level I'm putting up is here. We will have to have a mix teamwork. And the guy who's successful employee trader will become the mentor for this person who is joining, and it is his job to make sure he comes on that level. So when we talk about skill development, grassroots से जुड़ना बहुत जरूरी है, बहुत जरूरी है. अपनी जिंदगी में ये देखना कि मैं कितने लोगों के चाहे say great sir, we are doing proud things. So, but now that's something that we all have to do. If India has to grow to, हमको number 1 बनना है वर्ल्ड में. हम number 1 थे और फिर बनेंगे, और उसके लिए हम सबको मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. I'm so proud of Vedant who said, no dad, I'll come back to India. Kiran says, sir, in future all married people will be under your mentoring and all unmarried people will be under your son's mentoring. अच्छा, when he will get married, फिर क्या करेंगे किरण? Oh, I have one more. फिर उसकी शादी हो जाएगी, फिर क्या करेंगे? फिर तुम्हारे बेटे को ले लेंगे, बेटी को भी लेंगे. So, whenever I say beta, I mean beti. I'm not a gender one. In fact, I miss having a girl child. And I've started implementing this in my organization. The boy who joined today, his name is Deepak Vishwakarma, son of the carpenter who built 3 of my houses. I'll share his picture one day with you. Okay. Great, guys. So let's go here in this. So IPO, the second stop loss is price stop loss. What is price stop loss? Like we have said, this is the price on which I will get out of this in my long or short trade. यदि मेरे हिसाब से ट्रेड नहीं चला तो. Then next stop loss, next level of the stop loss is number 3. It is called time stop loss. What are the 3 things you utilize in your trade? Yes, guys. What are the 3 things you utilize in your trade? अपने ट्रेड में आप कौन सी 3 चीजें यूटिलाइज करते हो? टाइम, प्राइस, money, very close but not एक चीज we utilize time, money and skill. Time, money and skill. The three things that we utilize in our trading journey are time, time, money and skill. Three things utilized in our trading journey: time, money, and skill is what we utilize. So, तीनों waste नहीं होनी चाहिए. Now, when we are doing a price stop loss, what are we trying to save? Time, money, or skill? We are trying to save our money. But let's say we have taken a trade, we have put a stop loss. The total trading duration is 6 hours. इंट्राडे में 6 घंटे मिलते हैं, लेकिन वो 4 घंटे तक ट्रेड चला ही नहीं. Shouldn't we get out of that trade and go into another trade which is moving according to me? When we do that, then we use a stop loss called time stop loss. Call a time stop loss. The fourth kind of trading or risk management is called hedging. It's called hedging. And the most advanced method of controlling your risk is called option strategies. It's called option strategies in this one. Time, money, and skill. So hedging is the ultimate form of this one, and then option strategy. I'll be talking about options, but not right now. Let's focus on building our. This is Reliance stock future type of trade that I have taken. It is intraday. It is intraday. Direction short. Direction short. Percentage taken 100%. What is my filter in Reliance? Yes, what was the filter in Reliance, guys? कौन से filter पे हमने Reliance लिया? There was a filter. Filter था. Wasn't Yogeshwar Express the filter? Yes, our filter was Yogeshwar Express. Our strategy is not Yogeshwar Express. Our filter was Yogeshwar Express. So my filter in this was Yogeshwar Express. And what is the capital required in this? Capital required on this? That you can check from here. When you go here, you can check out in this limit statement. You can see that the money that was there in Reliance, 1,36,000. The capital that I have utilized in Reliance is 1,36,000 rupees. It is 1,36,000 rupees, and CIU is capital in use. जब तक trade खत्म नहीं हुआ, तब तक the capital is in use. So my capital in use is 1,36,000. Status in progress. So there are three statuses that can be there: in progress, book profit, or book loss. तीन status हो सकते हैं. In progress. What was my original risk in Reliance? Let's take the exact risk in Reliance. Yeah. This is Reliance. Our entry in Reliance is at 2455 roughly. Entry 2455. Here is our entry. And our stop loss was 2475. So here my risk was 20 rupees. And lot size in Reliance is 250. So what was my risk? 250 into 20, which was 5,000 rupees. So my original risk was 5,000 rupees. My current risk is again 5,000 rupees. 1 minute, guys. My current risk is book profit zero. I have not booked any profit in this so far. Okay. Now, when we are in trading, we also have to manage our risk. We also have to manage our risk. So here now, this is the strategy we utilize in this, which is the Vedanta Express components, the Camarilla pivots, and the super trend 2 on a 10-minute chart. Very simple trading method that you can utilize in this. Like here, in this method, you could have got this trade, you could have got this trade. So here, now where can my stop loss be? I can move my stop loss now here. 2461. 2461. How? Report orders, modify 2461. So I have now reduced. अभी मेरा risk कितना रह गया? My risk is 5.8 rupees, 6 rupees only now. What is my risk left now? 6 into 250. So my risk left is now 1500 rupees only. If I go here, my current risk is minus 1500 only. So I have reduced my risk. I make it blue. I make it blue. Now, the second trade I had, what was my second trade, guys? कौन सा trade था दूसरे वाला? Paytm, very good. Paytm. Paytm was my trade number 2. Paytm is a IPO. It's an IPO that we are trading. Risk management tool, stop loss, type intraday, direction short 100%, and in Reliance our filter was Yogeshwar Express, and our strategy is Vedanta Express. Strategy is not Vedanta. Both can be same, both can be different. Our strategy is Vedanta Express that we are looking. Then Paytm, IPO stop loss. What is our what was our filter in Paytm? Rajesh says, until when will you take Paytm in the category of IPO? जब तक 700 रुपए पे नहीं आ जाता राजेश, 700 पे आ जाएगा तो निकाल देंगे, फिर स्टॉक बना देंगे. Yogeshwar Express. Our execution strategy in this is also Vedanta Express. We'll just see if an entry has come. And what was my original capital in this? 1 lakh rupees. And my current capital use is 0 because one trade I finished. Status booked profit. Remember, because I had to, and original risk in this was about 2,500 I took. My current risk is 0, and my book profit in Paytm was 713 rupees. 713 was my book profit in Paytm. So here, this is 713 was my book profit. Whenever you book a profit, you mark it with green. इसको ग्रीन से मार्क कर दो कि आपको पैसा मिला. So then we still have one more trade in Paytm going on right now. We'll track that. उसमें रिस्क बहुत कम है हमारा. Everything else is the same, and here we are working on a risk of, if I look at Paytm, sell against margin about 15 And this we did at 1311, 1311, 1340. So almost 30 rupees, 30 into 15, 450 rupees is the risk. ये वाले में risk है minus 450. Current risk minus 450. Okay. And book profit here is nothing, it is in progress. Now the third trade that I have is Nifty. Nifty 27 Jan 22. Asset class, index future. Risk management tool, this time we did not use stop loss as a risk management tool. We use a call hedge. Call hedge 17,600. Or you can even say Nifty 27 Jan 22 CE or 17,600. So this was our risk management tool, which is a call hedge. So here we have specified which call are we using as a hedge, and this trade of mine is actually a swing trade. If I get good profits today, I'll keep it. Otherwise, I don't mind taking it swing tomorrow. Direction short, and percentage taken 100% in this. What is our filter in this? Filter was again a Yogeshwar Express. This was our filter. And what is the execution strategy? Call hedge. Call hedge. Capital required in this, we can see how much is the capital we have utilized. कहाँ से देखोगे capital? यहाँ से देखोगे. Reports, limit, intraday limit for FNO में जाइए. And you can see here, like my capital here is 71,387. 71,387. Okay, so here capital in use, like here in Paytm, second one, my capital utilized is maybe just about at 8,000 rupees. Remember, 8,000 rupees the हमारे पास. Capital in use 8,000. 8,000. And this is in progress. This is in progress. In progress. और जो book profit हो गया उसको green कर दिए. This is green book profit. Now here minus 450. तो आपने क्या कर रहे हैं? लॉक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. आप लॉक करो क्योंकि then only you will know what is working for you, what is not. Now my capital for trading is not 15 lakh rupees today. That was last time. It is 3 lakhs. And a maximum risk capacity in this. What is my maximum risk capacity? 15,000 rupees. Now let's finish this. Capital in use 71,400. And status in progress. What is my original risk in this? I want to see my current risk capacity. My current risk capacity in this one, 2,000, 5,000. You see, my current risk that I have is only minus 1,231. And in this one, I would not take a risk more than 8,000 rupees. So I decide that 8,000 is the maximum risk I will take here. Minus 8,000, that is my current risk also. So my current risk, so the total risk I've taken today is 15,950. But since it was done sequentially, the current risk I have in my system is 9,237. Tell me, guys, Am I within my risk-taking capacity? Exactly. So have I broken any rule today so far? मैंने कोई भी रूल ब्रेक किया क्या? Exactly. Don't break the rule. यदि आपने रूल ब्रेक किया तो रूल आपको ब्रेक कर डालेगा. यदि आपने रूल ब्रेक किया तो रूल आपको ब्रेक कर डालेगा. If you have not bought my book on trading rules, please buy it. It's available on the, and that's the most amazing book I have. My second book is coming, guys. It'll come probably by February. It is called Trading as a Profession. I'm going to write about something very dear to me, trading as a profession. I want to talk about अभी title decide नहीं किया पूरा. That book is coming in February. My plan is to write about 5 books this year. ये साल 5 किताबें छापनी है. Now that Vedant is back here, I'll focus on writing books. Paytm Nifty. Now how many finished trades so far? 1. Profit 1, loss 0. This is what I have for the moment. यहाँ सब निकाल देता हूँ जितना भी है. And I'm also making a system जहाँ पे ये recordings आपको बार बार आपको पासवर्ड्स वगैरह चेंज करने पड़ते हैं या लेने पड़ते हैं. These recordings will be available online for full 1 year. एक साल तक सब recordings available रहेंगी. आपका कोर्स का, ट्रेडिंग का, everything will be available for full 1 year. तो ये क्या होता है, कई बार बहुत सारे लोग हो रहे हैं तो मिलता नहीं है कोई आपको. तभी प्लस क्या होता है, आपको रात को 2 बजे पढ़ने का मन किया, अब 2 बजे तो निखिल सोता है. तो I think we will start working on that, including daily registrations and other things. पर उसके लिए आपको एक चीज करनी पड़ेगी. उसके लिए मेरी एक शर्त है. आपको एक वुमेन रिक्शा ड्राइवर को और बॉम्बे के किसी रिक्शा ड्राइवर को सपोर्ट करना पड़ेगा बाय पेइंग 59 रुपीज. 59 रुपीज देके सपोर्ट करना पड़ेगा. तो दैट इज, मैं आपको लिए खोल देता हूं. और ये वाला तो पैसा मैं मांगते रहता हूं. रोटरी में एक डेढ़ होल सेशन, आई एम डूइंग अनदर सेशन ऑफ इन रोटरी. Not this, your channel. Most of you have paid by GPay or Paytm. Here. Let's find those trainings. Here in this one here. So, yeah, here, this one. This is the link, guys. Drink some water. And now, last. How many of you have already joined this? कितने लोगों ने already join कर दिया? Say yes if you have paid the 59 rupees and joined this course. A lot of you have joined. How many of you have not yet joined it? Say no if you have not joined. No problem. आप नो बोलोगे, मैं अभी आपसे पेमेंट लेने ही वाला हूँ, अभी लेने वाला हूँ. So please click on the join here and pay 59 rupees. 59 rupees. With this, whom you will be helping? I'll just look out. Just a minute. These are the 200 women rickshaw drivers of Thane city. And we in Rotary, we have taken up the cause of helping them. We are doing that for past many years now. And now the next level I want to go is, Pathfinders want to associate with them and other lower strata like the rickshaw drivers of Mumbai, the maids, the construction workers, and wherever we will find a merit, we are introducing something called Pathfinder scholarships. And here, these children who are having merit will be given scholarships. And for the 59 rupees that you will pay, Pathfinders will contribute 59 rupees from the. मेरी अगर आप 500 रुपया देंगे तो 500 रुपया आपके लिए Pathfinders contribute करेगा. And every month, whatever is contributed, a check will go to the Rotary Foundation, and a copy of the check will be displayed publicly. So we know the Rotary Foundation, Rotary Club of Hiranandani State is where I belong to. I'm a Rotarian for many years. So this is where you would like. Please click on join and pay the 59 rupees. In case you want to pay straight, you don't have a credit card or something, you can do a GPay to me of 59 rupees on my mobile number right now. आपने नहीं दिया है या तो यहाँ पे कर दो. आइडियल यहाँ पे क्योंकि सीधा लिंक आ जाते हैं आपके पास में. What I give you as a thank you, every morning from 8:30 to 9, there is a pre-market analysis I do, and I give one trade of the day. Every day I give one trade of the day, and I analyze the market for you, and I answer your queries from 8:30 to 9 in the morning every morning, and recordings are also given too. This is my way of saying thank you for you supporting the women rickshaw drivers of Thane, men rickshaw drivers of Thane, their children, taxi drivers, construction workers working on the sites of the builders who make crores and crores of rupees, and those people don't even have a proper home to live. So please pay now. I give you 5 minutes to pick. I'll take 5 minutes break, guys. 5 मिनट में आपको पे करने के लिए देता हूँ. And I sincerely request कि please support this cause. Pathfinders has taken up this cause with Rotary, and I have taken a personal challenge that I will make 25 full-time traders in the next 5 years who are either the children of rickshaw drivers, taxi drivers, maids, or construction workers. You can do Paytm, you can do GPay, you can do PhonePe, 9967070595. And if you are doing Paytm, GPay something, then I would request you pay for the whole 12 months so that I do not have to ask every month. 59 into 12, 708. यदि आप Paytm या PhonePe कर रहे हैं, please pay 708. And I've also started the process of a trust that Pathfinders is creating. It will take a month to create, where scholarships will be initiated for these people, and I will put this, effort here to make sure there's this. My God has given me enough. God has given you enough. Let's go there. Let's develop skills in India. The reason I came back was because I loved my country. I believe if you go out and settle, that's what my boys are doing. Even Siddhanta said, "No, Dad, I'll study here. I'll get the best of education. I might even, work here for 1 or 2 years to know how a hedge fund works, but I am coming back." Hmm? Okay, guys, let's go back here on the market now. We see market is very, very volatile today. It is neither going up nor going down. Now it has moved up, around this level. And let's check our Paytm first. Is Paytm going according to us? Yes. Paytm is going according to me without any problem. Paytm is at 1.3. So where is my stop loss in Paytm? I'll go Where will I get out? Where will I get out in Paytm? Tell me the level on which I will get out in Paytm. What is my exit level in Paytm? L6. 1280 will be my exit level in Paytm. Here on this, where is my stop loss now? My stop loss, I will move now. So let's change the stop loss now. Let's trail it to 1308. I'm changing my stop loss here to 1308. Modify 130. On a hindsight, if I would have remained in Paytm, I would have made more money. See, that's how the stock market goes. I sold my Paytm to buy Nifty, and Paytm moved better. So that's how this market works. If I look at Paytm, this is Paytm. 1311. My stop loss is at 1308, and now this is a milestone that happens. So what is my current risk in Paytm? 3 rupees plus 45. Now, no matter what happens, I cannot lose money in Paytm. I write blue when I have you know done a reduction in this, and I'm writing this when I have making a green when I have done it. So in this one, what is my current risk now? My current risk is just 8,742 rupees, and in these two intraday trades that are running, my risk is just 1,455 rupees here on this. Okay, so let's go and check it again. And Reliance, let's check out Reliance. So Reliance may, where will my stop loss be now? Will my stop loss change? Look at the chart and tell me if I have to change my stop loss. No, there is change. Karan बोलता no change. There will be change here. Of course here. यहाँ जाएगा. It will come to 12456 2458 24. इसके exact यहाँ मैं थोड़ा सा ऊपर रहो. This is the level 2458. Super trend is the stop loss 2458. So here in this one, it is 2458. So let's do that, and let's understand the hedge also now. Modify 25 2458. 2458. Now in this one, if you see in this one here, how much is my risk left? Only 2 rupees. तो कितना रिस्क रह गया मेरा? 500 रुपया minus 500. What is my risk in this now? Only minus 500. Now tell me, the loss that you reduce, isn't this a money that you actually earned indirectly? Because if your stop loss would have been hit, you would have lost it. ये सोच आनी बहुत जरूरी है. You have to have this सोच. ये सोच का आना बहुत जरूरी है. So just a minute. Now, Prakash, when you can reduce your stop loss, you're greatly saving your capital. So too, Prakash. यहाँ पे अभी let's see. You're protecting your capital on this. And guys, this is going on, nothing to be done. I will talk about hedging, not right now, but this is our trades going on. This is our trades going on. First, Reliance. Reliance is doing fine. It is giving me a 2,112 rupees of profit. This is an intraday trade. Let's look at the hedge now. Now, in hedging, if you see, I have 4 lots of Nifty, and out of the 4 lots, If I would have taken a Nifty, which was a naked Nifty, means only a stop loss, my loss would have been 14,750. And if I had put a stop loss, that would be hit. But I protected it with 17,600. And as it is going against me, my call option is compensating me for the loss that I have made in the future. And that's why hedging is an amazing concept that we have. And instead of 14,000 rupees, my loss is only 4,500. And this is a swing trade. So I also have a holding capacity on this one. So we will discuss this more in detail, when I come back to you at 2 o'clock. And this is a trade where we are more or less safe at this moment now. हम बिल्कुल इस ट्रेड में अभी सेफ हो गए हैं. सिर्फ 500 रुपए का रिस्क हमारा रह गया है. In Reliance was at one time giving me a profit of about 3,000 rupees, but then a upward trend started in Reliance. And knowing the habit of Reliance, I knew is very high probability it will move up. So around this level, when it was at a double top, I converted my stop loss trade into a hedge trade. So let's check out my Reliance trade. So this is my Reliance trade. This is Reliance trade. So you see here, I've converted this into a hedge. उससे दो फायदे हुए. एक तो जब ऊपर गया, like I'm losing 4,700 rupees in Reliance, but my 2,400 call option is giving me 2,412 rupees of profit. And my capital requirement from 1,26,000 reduced to only 21,000. Only 21,000. And, this is one. Then in Nifty, what I did, this is my Nifty. Nifty may, when the market was moving on the upside, zooming up, and the moment it crossed plus 100, I said, time to change the hedge. Time to change the hedge. And from 17,600 hedge, I shifted to 17,800 hedge. And in this hedge, I booked a profit of 21,574. Then to adjust the cash, I booked a loss of 8,534. And then overall, in this, I booked a profit of 12,852. 12,852. 12,852 is the target that I booked here. And in my other big accounts, if you'll see here, in this account, my personal account, in my option strategies, I booked a profit of 66,000. This is strategies, guys. Strategies are amazing. 66,000 was the profit I booked here. And here in HUF, I booked a profit of about 86,000 rupees. So about 1,50,000 roughly is the profit I booked in my option strategies today. And they were mostly directional neutral and directional. I think Nikhil would have told you about the advanced options course. And here in this, I am handling my trade. आप एक अच्छे ट्रेडर तब बनोगे जब आपके अगेंस्ट में मार्केट जा रहा है तभी उसको संभाल पाओगे, और जब आपके तरफ मार्केट जा रहा है तो उसको आप पूरा स्क्वीज कर पाओगे. So that is how it works. So now in the same capital, and you see here in the same capital, मेरा कैपिटल तो बड़ा नहीं है, मेरा कैपिटल 3 लाख रुपया ही. So in this same capital, what I am doing is I am handling it. And if I would have taken, like, what do I have right now with me? I have 250 Nifties and one Reliance. So if you go for Reliance, yes, guys, if I go for 5 Nifty and one Reliance, how much will it take? How much will it take? And I've also taken two 18,000 puts. 18,000 के दो put खरीदे मैंने, with average price of about 291 rupees. So trader क्या होता है? What is a trader? जैसे फुटबॉल में आप फुटबॉल खेल रहे हो ना, तो सामने वाला ओपोनेंट आपको गोल करने के हिसाब से चलेगा या आप गोल ना करें उसके हिसाब से? हाउ विल द ओपोनेंट work? Will he want you to score a goal or not to score a goal? In a football match, would your opponent want you to score a goal? Like, oh, please, goal maro. Or would he like you not to score a goal? Yes, please answer. Can you hear me, guys? मेरी आवाज आ रही है? Not to score, exactly. वो क्या कि आप स्कोर ही ना कर पाओ, no goal. So इसीलिए you have to understand how to handle the market when it is going with you, when it is going against you. So here on top here, this is a swing trade I have. I initiated a option of a 18,000. In the money option I have initiated today here on this one. I'll log it. So 12,852 I booked. लेकिन अब मेरा करंट रिस्क या -500 नहीं. My current risk here is now at least about minus 15,000 rupees. Minus 15,000 rupees. That means I am working on a risk of about 9,184 on this one. Yani, this was not the one, sorry. Current risk. Here. Minus 17,000 I'll put on this one at least. So my current running risk into the system is about, this is not 17, sorry. This will be minus 8, I will this point 10. Roughly here. Okay. So this is the risk profile I have for the moment in this one. In this one. So now let's go back to the market and check out, how the market is doing now. In Nifty, I have a hedge. And where has Nifty gone? Nifty has gone over this one. And we are using a hedge strategy here. Rajesh had done that actually. So now we are in the last 1 hour of the market. We are in the last 1 hour of the market now. And let's check out how was VIX doing. VIX is the volatility. As the market is going up, in which direction should the VIX go? As the market is going up, in what direction should we go? Down. There's an inverse correlation. Let me check here. Is the VIX going up or is the VIX going down? VIX is going up. Now, this is a giver. Remember, in the start, uh, the market, the pre-open was minus 674. How many of you have seen that pre-open at minus 674? तो जितने भी शॉर्ट ट्रेड्स वाले हैं उन सब की क्लीनिंग चल रही है अभी, सबके स्टॉप लॉस हिट हो रहे हैं, सबकी क्लीनिंग चल रही है. एंड हियर इन this is the giveaway. Now let's check out here on this. Okay. Now here in this, on the left side, let me go to VIX, India VIX. This is VIX on the, and normally, now this is very odd. This is a rare thing that you will see. Please take a screenshot of this. बहुत rare है. And I think who pointed this out to me? It was one trader who pointed this out to me. So thank you very much. Thank you very much. So here, VIX so going up means market is preparing to go down. Market is preparing to go down. And there is this algo which is taking, so it will be very interesting in the end. Does the market correct back? जितने लोगों ने स्टॉप लॉस लगाए हुए थे शॉर्ट ट्रेड्स के, सबके स्टॉप लॉस हिट हुए क्या? तो अभी दो ही तरह का ट्रेडर जिंदा है. What are the two types of traders who are alive in their short trades? दो तरह के ट्रेडर अभी भी जिंदा है. एक दुख के साथ, सेकंड इज फाइन. प्रकाश और साले भगवान भरोसे वाला जिंदा है बेचारा, कि उसने तो स्टॉप लॉस लगाया ही नहीं था, पर वो तो लॉस में बैठा है ना, और भगवान भरोसे वाला और शॉर्ट करेगा. But the hedge ones, like we hedged, the market went against us, but we still could handle it, manage it well. And despite all this, instead of making a loss, I went to 250 nifties and it went against me about 100 points. My loss would have been 25,000 rupees. But my loss is much less than that, just 10,000 rupees. So this almost is a giveaway. This is almost a giveaway. Market going up and India VIX also going up. India VIX is a leading indicator. It is a leading indicator that we go for. Guys. Fine. So this is going on. Now let's switch gears. I have booked a profit of about 1.5 lakh today, and this is going on. I've converted my stop losses into hedges. That's what I've done. And last 1 hour would be interesting. So let's come back to the market by about 3 o'clock. Intraday, इसको 3 बजे देखेंगे वापस. And let's go into another arena, which is the area of portfolio building. Let's go here into the area of portfolio building. Yes, another thing here. My advanced options course is starting. Nikhil would have told you about it. And the regular price is now 57,000 rupees. And the offer price till 20th of this month is 39,000 rupees, and 3 months credit card EMI is available. 3 months credit card EMI is available. But I always give an offer when I do a live trading. जिसमें मैं live trading देता हूँ, then एक special offer देता हूँ. So if you give your 3,000 rupees advance today, then instead of a 3 months interest-free EMI, you will get a 12 months interest-free EMI. Instead of a 3 month interest-free EMI, you will get a 12 months interest-free EMI, but this offer is valid only till 3:30. Only till 3:30. At 3:30, it will close and it will go back to the regular 3 months of interest-free EMI and 39,000. And this course is what? ये मेरा आखिरी course होता है, इसके बाद कुछ नहीं. This is my last course, the ultimate course. And on this course, this time the interesting thing will be I'll be putting about 1 crore of rupees of capital. I started with about 5 lakh, increased it to 10 lakh. Then now I've gone to 25 lakhs. And uh, the moment the money comes from the house I've sold, 1 crore of rupees I'll be putting in directional neutral tradings here. Directional neutral tradings are magic. They easily give about 4% a month on your capital. Doesn't matter, where the market goes here. So those who want to be a part of this advanced options, don't miss it. Nikhil has explained it. Pay a 3,000 rupees advance right now. If you pay this by 3:30, instead of a 3 months interest-free EMI, you get a 12-month interest-free EMI. But after 3:30, it goes back to 3 months interest-free EMIs, and you can even do the advance payment on my GPay, PhonePe, or Paytm. 9967070595. Okay. Great, guys. Let's go and look at the markets now. And we see this is the market we are checking now. 133, 134. And we see here in this one, in HDFC, I booked a loss of 100 rupees. I booked a loss of 100 rupees. It jumped up, hit my stop loss on this. CSC, go here. HDFC, I booked a loss of minus 100. And in this one, my original risk was 100. I think it's 100 rupees, not 200. Current risk becomes 0. And after booking 2 profits, I booked a loss of 100 rupees. So far, this is booked loss. And this is booked part profit. And this one I'll keep as blue. Okay, the white here or the this is blue. And this one is booked loss in this. And my Reliance is a swing. It is going on. Nifty is swing. It is going on. And today I have finished with about 13,716 rupees of profit so far. And we'll see in the end. Arvind says I scored 85%. Arvind, या तुम तो एडवांस ऑप्शंस कोर्स के स्टूडेंट हो एक साल से, तुम्हारा 100% क्यों नहीं आया? 1.5 साल हो गया तुमको, इतने अच्छे ट्रेडर हो, इतने बड़े बड़े प्रॉफिट करते हो, लाख सवा लाख का प्रॉफिट का ट्रेड किया तुमने अभी, तो तुम्हारा 100 क्यों नहीं आया? Why didn't you get 100? You got a 51 out of 60. Keshav has a question. Sir, I need your guidance. If someone wants to invest 25 lakh, should he invest individual account or initiate a company and do invest in the company assets? I think more what my chartered accountant told me, since I needed to create assets, so I'll move 1 crore rupees there. But I would like to build some assets. Ankur, तो भैया हमारे पास तो expert है यहाँ पे. Ankur, what should Keshav do? He's putting 25 lakh rupees. He has got his own business also. प्रकाश बोलता क्या नहीं, शायद आई एम ओपन टू डिस्कशन. आई एम नॉट अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट, सो मेरी नॉलेज लिमिटेड है. मुझे जो मेरा सीए बोलता है मैं कर देता हूँ. अंकुर से whatever is the best Return on investment, okay. अरविंद बोलता है अब और कोशिश करूंगा सर, नेक्स्ट टाइम 100%, पक्का पक्का। सिर्फ एक बंदा है जिसको अलाउड नहीं है ये वाला टेस्ट लेना, वरना वो हमेशा 100% लाएगा, एंड दैट इज निखिल, क्योंकि उसके पास सब डेटा होता है पीछे। इनफैक्ट कई बार कैसा हुआ, मैंने जब पहली बार ये टेस्ट डिजाइन किया, और मैंने डिजाइन किया, मैंने ही बनाया, और मेरे 95% आए। आई वाज शॉक्ड, मेरे 100 क्यों नहीं आए? तो पता लगा क्वेश्चन ही गलत, यस का नो और नो का यस किया हुआ था। So that took some time for me. So market more or less will finish. Let's check out Reliance. Reliance also see in the end. That's where your hedge will save you. यहाँ आपका hedge आपको बचाएगा. Here in this one, I finished with a profit. This is my intraday here. And here market jumped up. Let's check out how the hedge is working. Now, this is Reliance. Look at Reliance, guys. Despite the market going against me, the hedge is protecting, and once you're part of the advanced options, you will know how the Greeks work. Greeks are a very important part of understanding the markets here in this one. So you can see here from a 2400, if I see here roughly. अच्छा, एक चीज और बहुत ध्यान में रखिएगा, यहां पे जो आपकी ट्रेडिंग लिमिट है वो नेगेटिव नहीं होनी चाहिए. Your trading limit should not be negative. If your trading limit is negative for a day or 2 days, you are charged an interest of 1%. After that, the interest becomes 5%. So make sure your available trading limit is never negative. And keep in, एक बाई चांस आप लेके भी जा रहे हो, आपको दिख रहा है कि यार ये मुझे 25,000 का नेगेटिव है, तो keep in mind that your broker will charge you interest on it. So by the end of the day, when you're going from one day to the next day, ensure that your trading limit is positive. Now, Harish, I got 77%. I feel bad after attending your course. I should have got 100%. That's why this has been designed. So, Dr. Narhari, you got a 46 out of 60. He spoke up. See, that's how I've designed the course. That's how I designed the tests. Now, in the end, let's check out the two indices. अभी लास्ट के 20 मिनट में ये दो इंडाइसेस को देखना बहुत जरूरी है. Let's watch these two indices on a 1 minute chart. Which two indices am I talking about? Which two indices I'm talking about? Nifty and Bank. Nifty and Bank Nifty. No problem, Ankur. It's absolutely okay. Ankur, the question is, one of the traders, he wants to put 25 lakh rupees into a portfolio. He wants to buy stocks in the investors club. What he wants to know, should he do it in the personal account or should he do it in the company account? Since he saw me using a company account, this one is a company account I'm using. So he said, which one should I go for? What would be ideal? And he has agreed to pay the necessary fees to you. Now, this is Nifty and here is Bank Nifty. और तीसरा चार्ट हम लेते हैं विक्स का. This is the we- Keshav. Uh, Keshav is sending thank you to Ankur. Ankur, he says thank you to you. See here. And let's keep an eye on the VIX also. So the power of the FIA, there's a very strong chance today also FIA is bought. And both when FIA and DIA buying, market will not go down. Here, this is India VIX. This is a rare sight. This is a rare sight. Let's just take a print screen of this one. This is divergence. Divergence in India VIX. And India VIX is a leading indicator. Is a leading indicator. Ankur says after Corona is over, please start live trading in your office, offline mode, actual interactions, have personal, maybe hotel conference. I have a plan for it actually, Ankur. I'm because now that I've started getting traders who have trading capitals of more than 50 lakh plus. So I'm actually seriously thinking of creating a physical trading room for a fees where the big traders can start coming and at least trade in front of me for maybe a few times in a month. So that is definitely in the plan. So let's see here. And we are on short trades and market will open 156. So what is the day it will be for me? Balle balle or oh shit? What will I experience when the market will open? Balle balle or oh shit? I will experience balle balle. कल 12,000 रुपया हमने किया था. And what I will do is I will book money in my directional trade. Book money in my put option. The first thing I will do when the market will open is I will book profit in my put option at least one. At least one. But I'll keep an eye on this. I'll keep an eye on this. So market about to open. Let's be ready, guys, for the market. 12,000 we have booked yesterday. And this is okay. So the market has opened. And here I am getting 159. Keep an eye up. Jaldi mat karo. 160, 166, 165, 159, 150 के नीचे आएगा तो निकल जाओ. The moment I'll see it below minus 150, I will get out and I am out of one at 340. So I have booked my first profit and I'll also square off my second one at 340. So I have booked a profit of 5,444 rupees now. And let's see how is, so this is now Nifty. Nifty is my Nifty is giving me 6,500 rupees. 17,800 put option is giving me 18,000 rupees here on this. So I'll wait for this and there will be a retracement. So have a, and Reliance, this is Reliance, which is flat at 600 rupees now. and we'll keep an eye. We'll keep an eye on this one. So, what is my book profits now? 12,000 yesterday, 5,000 today. So, हमारा अपना कल का log पूरा करते हैं. Let's finish the log of yesterday. We had a full trading log yesterday. Log sheet. So, log sheet में we had this put option, and in this I booked a profit of 5,000 18,000 पुट. सो ये हमारा कल का ट्रेड चल रहा था. अभी इसको जरा, ये खत्म नहीं हुआ था हमारा. कल हमने इंट्राडे खत्म किया था. सो इफ यू सी हियर, आई बुक्ड अ प्रॉफिट ऑफ 5544 5544 in my put option. Right? In my put option, I booked a profit of 5,544 rupees here. So my profit has become 19,260 and risk here has become zero. याद रखना, जब भी हमने प्रॉफिट बुक कर लिया तो वहां हमारा रिस्क जीरो हो जाता है. You know, Vedant says, ask about audio quality. It's bad on my end. Vedant, what you do is, even I agree that there is some issue with any meeting. Please coordinate with Nikhil and just write a mail to any meeting. And they are normally very, good in responding back if they know the problem. So they are very, very helpful. So just tell them that we want to be better than Zoom. Let's give them a challenge. बोला लोग हमें ये क्यों बोलते हैं कि Zoom का experience better है. And it's a big company that has taken over, so I'm sure they will improve. उनको Zoom challenge देते हैं. Yeah, voice is cracking. I can see that. So I agree. There was a technical error. कल से technical error है. So we need to work on this. Unfortunately, I have to coordinate with them. So here, book profit. क्योंकि मेरा तो favorite वही है. मतलब I'm right now not able to communicate. So which one is my favorite song? कौन सा मेरा favorite song है? ये वाला. इसमें YouTube पे चाहिए. ओरिजिनल चाहिए.
मगर अक्सर ऐसे होता है.
ये वाला, this वाला. You listen to this song. मैं अपने 2 अंडे खा लेता हूँ. मुझे boiled egg मिल गए हैं. So just listen to this song. Don't worry, there is nothing to be done. There is nothing to be done. Okay, I'll be there with you in 2 minutes. बदल जाएगा मेरी आवाज़ पहचान है घर याद है. मुझे तो याद नहीं है. आपको याद है? सुनाइए ना. सुनाइए ना. As a real bad reception from any meeting, very bad quality, very poor video and audio, very poor badness. So please bear with me. We are taking it with any meeting technical team. कल से प्रॉब्लम है. Okay, so we have logged now. So this is the market now. Let's look at the market that is going, and keep an eye on the. I have 64,000 rupees now. Capital BA. What is my total capital into this account now? ये account में मेरा भी total capital कितना है? Yeah, who will tell me? 3 lakhs. This is a 3 lakh rupees account. No, ये 3 lakh rupee account. We are trading only on 3 lakh rupees. And now our market moving up. And yesterday we were looking at a good stock to buy called CESC. Remember, market buying opportunity bhi dekha. So this is CESC. I was checking at it yesterday and I liked it as a stock. So I think I'll buy some CESC for 20,000 rupees. I have booked a profit of 12 and 5, 17,000 rupees. 20,000 divided by 91 is 219. So about 225 CSC I am buying. 225. And this one is not an intraday trade. A positional trade. This is a positional trade that we have. Okay, so I have bought CSC at 91. This is what I have put in here. Bought CSC. So, and we had 4 more stocks. I had okay. So I'm still short on Reliance. So abhi aaj ki date mein, don't be in a hurry to get out. Don't be in a hurry to buy. Don't be in a hurry to get out. Don't be in a hurry to buy. Now, here at this, and don't be in a hurry to remove the hedge. Hedge ही आपका सबसे अच्छा दोस्त है. Hedge is your best friend here. And now you just wait for the market to move down and look for some buying opportunities. But since I'm in a trade, so I have no reason to get out right now. In fact, even if at this point I close all my trades, I will still make a decent profit of 12,000 rupees. How much will that be? That is 12,000 divided by, so here, so at least one thing I can do easily on this one. I go to Reliance filter. Reliance I'll and Reliance has not gone that much as I expected it to be. So I'm getting out of Reliance. Okay, so I've removed Reliance from my system. Just a minute. Modify to. I'm out of Reliance. So I've moved Reliance out of my system now. Hedge trade. And here also, I don't mind reducing my risk a little. So I say 100, I'll get out here, square off, and 100, I'll get out here. So I'm doing my risk management here on this. Modify. So here, if you see, this is my market about 182 points down, and this is actually almost a picture perfect opportunity for me to get out with very decent profits into this account. I'm out with a profit of 2309. Keep in mind, my capital was only 3 lakh rupees. Only 3 lakh rupees. That is what we were looking at. So here in this and in my other accounts, I have good trades going on. So let's finish our log now. अपना log finish करते हैं. Nifty filter. Nifty I finished with in the 18,000 put option 5544, and here in this I finished with, let's say, 24,817 minus 21,895, which is 2922, which is minus. So here I can just do it. 2192 is equal to minus 2192. Perfect. So here I booked a profit of 10,660 rupees in Reliance, where I was checking out. Here this is Reliance, and in Reliance, minus 312 was my cap. Minus 312 minus 312 was the small loss I booked here. Okay, and my trades are finished. Now this is complete. Now this is complete. So here in this one and this one we booked loss. So I finished from yesterday. Total how many trades? Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco. 5 trades I finished. And my current risk in the system is 0. And I have booked a profit of 16,756 rupees. Okay, this is now 0. 16,756 rupees on a capital of 3 lakh rupees. हमारा capital कितना है? 3 lakh rupees. So 16,756 divided by into 100. So I got a return of 5.5% in 2 days. 2 दिन में 5.5% का रिटर्न है, तो 20 ट्रेडिंग डे मतलब एक महीने में कितना रिटर्न हुआ है? इनटू 10 times. It is 55% per month into 12, which is this is a return of 670% per year. कितना? 670% पर ईयर का रिटर्न है. तो अभी 3 लाख वाले कैपिटल के वाले योगेश्वर वशिष्ठ को अब पूरे दिन क्या करना चाहिए? What should he do for the rest of the day? तो ये प्रोसेस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो वर वी राइट ऑल द टाइम? टेल मी, वर वी राइट ऑल द टाइम? ये पैसा हमारे राइट होने से आया या हमारे रिस्क मैनेजमेंट से आया? This came with the risk management and following the process. And at any time, did I become emotional and did I take unnecessary risk, or my risk became more than what I planned for? Yes or no? Okay, so this is, so what is my capital now? How much is my capital now? New capital. New capital is equal to this plus Plus this again. Plus this. So my capital has increased to now 3,16,000 rupees. Right? मेरा capital कितना हो गया? 3,16,000. And what did I do? In that, I immediately converted the profit into a long-term investment. I immediately converted the profit into a long-term investment. So this is so. What is my cost? Look at this. I have made a profit of 16,000 rupees, and I bought this CESC for 20,000 rupees. What is my cost of buying? What is my capital invested in CESC? Swati says, Sanjita, you're not shorting anything. Swati, I have a very big short positions going on a capital of 35 lakh rupees. वो चल रही है बगल वाले कंप्यूटर पे, डोंट वरी, और बढ़िया सा प्रॉफिट आ रहा है उसमें. हाथी के दांत खाने के और होते हैं और दिखाने के और होते हैं. स्वाति, हाथी के दांत खाने के और होते हैं, दिखाने के और होते हैं. How about you? Do nothing, Swati. Wait करो. Do nothing right now. Buy this CSC. I've given you a trade. He is already making money. Now tell me about the retail. Is the retail right now enjoying it, or is the retail panicking? What is retail doing right now? Are they buying or are they selling? Buying. No, they are not doing anything. They are selling. They are scared. उनको डर लग गया है. उनको लग रहा है वापस गिरेगा. Panic selling शुरू होगी. And who's selling to them? Or who's buying from them? सब नया वाला, जो नया रिटेल आया, तो ब्रोकर अभी क्या बोल रहा है? सर, करेक्शन आ गया, अभी खरीद लो आप. You have to see at the market from multiple angles. Multiple angles हमको मार्केट को देखना है. हमारा स्विंग में जो ट्रेड चल रहा है, प्लीज चलने देना. डोंट टच इट. We have a nifty trade going on, hedged in swing, don't touch it. Let it be there. ये हमको कल किस चीज ने बताया था कि मार्केट ऊपर नहीं जाएगा, मार्केट नीचे जाएगा? टेल मी, व्हाट वाज द गिव अवे यस्टरडे? तो मुझे आती किसने बताया था? सलील ने बताया था ना. आप में किसी ने बताया? मेरे को ध्यान ही नहीं था कल. It was VIX there was a VIX divergence yesterday. Okay, so this is CSC that I have as a long trade that we identified. ये भी हमने कल ही आइडेंटिफाई किया. मार्केट में हमेशा लॉन्ग भी होता है और शॉर्ट भी होता है. आपको सी हियर, व्हाट वाज द गिव अवे? लेट्स गिव अवे 5 day 5 minute रिफ्रेश. अभी जो नए लोग हैं उनके लिए एक बार जरा इसको विक्स को रिफ्रेश कर देते हैं. ट्रेड टाइगर में आज सब कुछ थोड़ा टेक्निकल इशू आ रहा है. हे बाबा. Okay, now let's work on the technical part. इन्फ्लेशन बढ़ रहा है हर जगह, और इस बार का जो कोविड है वो पिछले वाले के कोविड से अलग है. अभी सब प्रिपेयर्ड है. पॉलिटिशियन अब इतना करप्शन नहीं कर पाएंगे. उनको पता है कि वो निकाल दिए जाएंगे. इसीलिए ये स्टोरी अलग है और पिछले वाली स्टोरी अलग. तो हियर इन दिस वन, यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? यहाँ पे भी देखो तो निफ्टी की रेंज क्या है? What is the range of the VIX in Nifty? Vedant, listen very carefully on the other side. Nifty, when is VIX? When is market overbought? When is market oversold according to the VIX? VIX के हिसाब से market overbought कब होता है, oversold कब होता है? 10 to 30. 10 to 30. 30 is oversold. उल्टा है यहाँ पे. 30 is oversold. This is oversold. And 10 is overbought. This is overbought. So 10 and 30 is the range of the VIX. इनफैक्ट मार्केट बहुत सिंपल होता है. यदि आप मार्केट को समझ लोगे तो बहुत सिंपली पैसा बनता है इसमें. Okay guys, so we have a good day. मार्केट का एटीआर मोरलेस खत्म हो गया है, अब यहां से मार्केट किधर नहीं जाएगा. सो इफ यू आर इन अ शॉर्ट पोजीशन, टाइम टू गेट आउट इज नाउ. टाइम टू गेट आउट इज नाउ इफ यू आर इन अ शॉर्ट पोजीशन, कि मार्केट यहां से अब ऊपर नहीं जाएगा. इनफैक्ट there will be some nice short opportunities that will be available now. For long opportunities, let's explore that now in the next 15 minutes. So this is the market. एटीआर को समझना बहुत अच्छा. यहां पे वापस विक्स हमारा खत्म नहीं हुआ. So this is the range of wicks here. And just go and check the look here at this point in the COVID. Wix is uncertainty is the fear index. Wix went up to 84. हम लोगों ने अपनी ऑप्शन ट्रेडिंग में भर भर के कमाया, भर भर के कमाया. What is the channel in which? Now, second thing is we have to see in what channel is the market moving now. In what channel is the market moving in now? In what channel is the VIX moving? What is the channel of VIX? VIX का channel क्या है? तो market का direction क्या है? If the channel of the VIX is up, what is the channel of the market? इतना बड़ा rocket science तो है नहीं stock market. Okay, guys, market is nicely moving down, 219 points down, and I have booked a decent profit of 16,000 rupees on this one. And make sure there are no stop losses in the system. System में stop loss होने जरूरी. And then here I have bought a 225 CESC, and here my target is about 130 rupees. 130 is the target I'm having on this one. Thank you very much, and God bless you.